Viewers, and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will learn about drawing ellipses. Ellipses are also non-uniform curves, but they have a regular shape. They're actually splines created in a regular closed shape. In AutoCAD, you can draw an ellipse with different types. So, in this session, we will learn the different ways to draw an ellipse. First one is the center type. We can select it and then we will specify a specific point and give it a radius. Now, it is done on the basis of its center. Next is the axis end. This time, we will specify the axis. This one is the x-axis and now this one is the y-axis. So, although we got the same results as previous, but they were different. In this one, we can use an angle like this. Now this ellipse is formed at a specific angle. Make sure that when you are dealing with an angle, you have to use the tab. So you write 100, tab 30 and then 25. The last one is the ellipse arc. Here you can assign any value from 0 to 360. At 360 it would be a full ellipse. So here an elliptical arc has been formed. You can see with the similar major and minor axes, we have drawn different types of ellipse in a variety of ways. So you can use either of the ways depending upon the nature of your geometry and the specific project. This was all about ellipses. We will use them in sooner exercises. See you then. Till then, take care.